one-stop shop for all things interior design. Today, we're venturing into the exciting realm of small prefab homes and tips for decorating small prefab visually cohesive space look. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of homeownership but are facing limitations in space or budget, this video might just be the key that unlocks your perfect living situation. Let's delve into the world of these compact yet trendy dwellings. First things first, let's establish a clear understanding of what we mean by small prefab homes. Prefabricated, or prefab, simply refers to construction where the main structural components of a home are built in a controlled environment, typically a factory setting. These prefabricated sections are then transported to the final location and assembled on-site. Now, when we add the small qualifier, we're talking about dwellings that fall within a specific size range. This definition can vary depending on local regulations, but generally, small prefab homes are designed with a footprint under 1,000 square feet. There are several compelling reasons why small prefab homes are gaining immense popularity. Here are a few key advantages to consider. First, affordability. Prefab construction streamlines the building process, often resulting in significant cost savings compared to traditional site-built homes. Second, sustainability. Prefab construction often utilizes eco-friendly materials and minimizes construction waste. Third, efficiency. Prefabricated homes are built in a controlled environment, leading to faster completion times and less disruption at the final location. Fourth, design flexibility. Don't be fooled by the small label. Many prefab home builders offer a wide range of customizable options, allowing you to personalize your space to suit your needs and style. Fifth, lower maintenance. Due to their efficient design and often high-quality materials, small prefab homes can require less ongoing maintenance compared to larger traditional homes. How much do small prefab homes cost? The cost of a small prefab home can vary depending on several factors, including size, customization level, materials used, and location. However, generally, small prefab homes offer a more budget-friendly option compared to traditional site-built homes. You can expect the starting price to range from around $50,000 to $150,000, with the possibility of the cost increasing with additional features and customizations. Now that you're armed with design inspiration, let's talk about decorating your small prefab haven. Remember, the key lies in maximizing functionality and creating a visually cohesive space. Here are some tips. First, scale matters. Choose furniture pieces that are appropriately sized for your space. Opt for low-profile furniture to avoid a cluttered feel and ensure ample walking space. Second, statement pieces. While keeping things minimalist, incorporate a statement piece, like a bold accent chair or a unique artwork, to add personality and visual interest. Third, lighting is key. Utilize a layered lighting approach with overhead lighting, task lighting for specific areas, and accent lighting to create ambience and highlight design features. Fourth, textiles and textures. Play with textures and patterns on throw pillows, rugs, and blankets to add visual interest and depth without overwhelming the space. Now that we've explored the benefits, let's unleash your inner designer with some inspiring ideas for your small prefab home. Here these the top 10 best small prefab home design ideas. 1. Embrace open floor plans. Maximize the sense of spaciousness by opting for an open floor plan that seamlessly connects living, dining, and kitchen areas. 2. Let there be light. Utilize large windows and skylights to fill your home with natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. 3. Multifunctional furniture. Invest in furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a sleeper sofa or a Murphy bed, to optimize space utilization. 4. Smart storage solutions. Built-in shelves, ottomans with hidden storage compartments, and vertical storage solutions can keep your belongings organized without sacrificing precious floor space. 5. Folding or sliding doors. Utilize folding or sliding doors for rooms that need occasional privacy, as they take up less space when open compared to traditional swinging doors. 6. Mirrors on the wall. Strategically placed mirrors can create the illusion of a larger space by reflecting light and adding depth. 7. Light and neutral color palette. Opt for light and neutral colors for walls and main furniture pieces to create a sense of openness and visual flow. 8. Vertical gardens. Utilize vertical space for greenery with hanging planters or wall-mounted gardens, adding a touch of nature without sacrificing floor area. 9. Declutter and organize. Regularly declutter and maintain organized storage to avoid a cramped and cluttered feeling. 10. Embrace the outdoors. Extend your living space by creating a seamless connection to your outdoor area with a deck, patio, or balcony. Small prefab homes offer a unique blend of affordability, sustainability, and design flexibility. By embracing smart design principles and incorporating these decorating tips, you can create a stylish and functional living space that perfectly reflects your personality and lifestyle. Have you ever considered living in a small prefab home? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring design content. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs today. We hope this video has ignited your passion for small prefab homes and empowered you to explore this exciting trend. Until next time, happy designing! Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.